DebX, amplifying voices, accelerating change.
Please help me welcome to the DebX stage, Dr. Roya Karbakhsh.
Good evening, everybody. If you may, or if you will indulge me, please close your eyes. Go ahead. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Now I want you to think about a time when you experience love, a time in your life when you felt true love, true bliss, when everything changed for you. Nothing was impossible. Life became vibrant. Whatever it is, think of that moment. Can you feel it? The love, the bliss. Let it wash over you. As the image in your mind becomes more and more clear, notice your body's sensation. Do you feel butterflies in your stomach? A smile coming across your face? Maybe there is a sense of fullness in your chest, or a warmth across your body. Feel it, experience it, soak it in. Now, please open your eyes. If you really allowed yourself to visualize those moments, I bet you were able to recreate some of those amazing feelings of love. Feelings that are very real, right now. And with practice, those feelings could be as strong as they were for you way back when you experienced them. And accessible whenever you wanted. It is always there for you. Just in 60 seconds, you were able to create the experience of love and all the incredible benefits that come along with it. What are these incredible benefits? As you were connecting to your past experience of love a moment ago, there was a good chance your physiology changed. Your body was at work, creating miracles. Miracles that happen when you experience those feelings of love. I have been a doctor more than 35 years and have seen these miracles at work, day by day, year by year, patient after patient. This is a scan of a brain experiencing the emotion love. It highlights the parts of the brain that when they are stimulated, they create different neurotransmitters and hormones in our body, like dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, brain drive, neuroprotective factor, and even vasopressin. These neurotransmitters, they regulate our blood pressure, pulse rate, they increase our immunity, they give us a sense of calmness, joy, and a general feeling of well-being. As you sat in your chair thinking about those blissful moments, an experience of your past, your body was thanking you with these healthy hormones. Can you imagine if you were to create a practice of love, consistency, over time? The healthy benefits and the healing benefit would be incredible. On the other hand, the scan that you can see shows the region of our brain activated when we are on our day-to-day life with the complaints, with the upsets, with the angers, whatever our thoughts create for us. All our system, including immune system, neurological, hormonal, cardiology, endocrine, they all get shut down and imbalanced. This is when cortisol and inflammation cascade increases in our system, causing everything that people come to me seeking help and complaining about that. From lack of motivation, fatigue, depression, anxiety, relationship problem, even addiction, pain, and our autoimmune disease. So what are these scans suggesting? Are they saying that the love is the answer? The answer to alleviate emotional and physical pain? With everything I have seen in my 35 years of experience as a medical doctor, psychiatrist, and a psychotherapist, I believe it is possible. But we have a major problem. As the saying goes, we are looking for love, all in the wrong places. In my profession, I see people looking to others to find love, to find acceptance, and ironically, hoping to find themselves. I see people looking to their parents, spouse, children, bosses, and friends to find that validation. I see people thinking love will be found when we have the right job, make more money, or have the perfect body. Because of our past experiences as a child, with any small adversity, even not being cared at the right time, loss, changes, the traumatic event causes us disconnect to ourselves. And as a result of that, to now, because it pulls us back to the past. We disconnect with ourselves, and that disconnect itself becomes the trauma that we all carry through life. We don't trust ourselves that we already have enough or are enough. So what do? We go outside of ourselves and fish for compliment, buy the next great things, or get cosmetic surgery, or move to another place. Yet the love still does not always reliably appear. Or perhaps we leave our relationship to seek a person who can validate us the way we want it or we need it. Sometimes we leave 3, 4, or even 10 relationships, never really finding what we are looking for. So if we are not reliably finding sustainable love in any of these places, where should we look for? Rumi, the great Persian scholar and poet, said it best when he said, "We carry inside of us the wonders we seek outside of us." We can always get back to the love if we look from within. Love isn't waiting for us through a compliment from a friend or a hug from a spouse. It is right there inside of us. It's always have been. And we can access it whenever we want by becoming aware of the presence of love in our life, exactly like we did a few minutes ago. You created that right in your seats a few minutes ago. If you create a positive change in the field of emotion, you can change your health at a cellular and chemical level, enhancing your overall well-being and happiness. I was blessed being brought up with the teaching of Rumi. I knew that the love that I needed was already inside me. And actually, that was the thing that inspired me to become a doctor and later a psychiatrist, to help alleviating the suffering experienced when we forget that the source of all love already is inside of us. So let me save you some money on therapy session and sum up some of my experiences I learned over the course of 35 years of being a general practitioner, a psychiatrist, child psychiatrist, and a psychotherapist. It is all about you. You are amazing and endless source of love and transformation. You don't need anybody else outside of you. You already have everything you need inside of you. You have everything you need to create the result you are searching for. You are the answer to all your questions and requests. You are enough. You are whole. So find one thing you love about yourself or your life. Come back to it. Relish in it. Recognize its beauty and its power in it. Keep doing it every day until you have that happier brain and a healthier life. As Rumi once said, love is the bridge between you and everything else in the universe. Connect to it. Connect to you. Connect to love. Connect to that amazing source of life, consciousness, being in now. It is right now inside of you. Connect to you, and thank you.